Good morning, my dear kids. I, Sonia Grover, again here to learn with you. I am opening code.org. Today, I want to represent the different states of an article when I am clicking on button. I am running this app. I am clicking on this initial stage. The initial stage of apple is coming. Middle, then middle state is coming. When I am clicking on this after, then after state is coming and clear. Then there is no image. When I am reset it at starting, there is a question mark here. For this, I have to take a new project. I am going in App Lab. It's taking time to do processing. Yes. Now this mobile simulator, this is toolbox, this is workspace, you know that. I want to change the background color of the screen. Now come to this design portion. You can change the background color from this, otherwise you can choose a theme also. I am choosing the theme like I am choosing this theme. Now there is a label required to represent the different states of an article. I am writing here different states of an article. This I want to increase the size. I am removing height and width. It will take automatically when I am removing this. I am just placing it like this. Now I will take an image to represent this, and 4 buttons are required. You can increase the size of image, width or height. I am writing here 150, then height is also 150. Like this. Now in this image I am uploading the question mark image. Just choose it. I have already downloaded the image on my desktop. Upload all the files, upload all the images. I am uploading this question mark, then I am uploading this apple image, then uploading this apple image, again I am uploading last apple image, apple tree. I have uploaded all the image. I want to choose this image, then just click on this. This will come automatically, right? Now come to this button portion. I will write here initial stage. This is ID is button 1. Then there is a middle state. I am writing here middle. If I am on final state, you will write here final. Otherwise you can give name according to your choice to represent different states of an article, and just clear it to writing clear state. Now come to coding portion. I am clicking on this code. I have 4 buttons. There is a need of 4 events here. Just click like this. There are 4 buttons. ID of these 4 buttons are, click on this button, initial button, button 1, middle button 2, final button 3, clear IDs button 4. There are 4 events, means clicking event, button 1, then button 2, button 3, then button 4. In this I want to set the image, then you will use set property. Set property, this one. Just drag and drop set property 4 times like this. I want to set the ID of this image. Click on this. ID of this is image 1. Now come to this coding section. ID is image 1. Which property I want to set here? Image. Click on this. I want to choose the image of initial stage of an apple. Choose. This is an initial stage. Click on this option. Choose. In the same way, ID is image 1. Which property I want to change? Image. Choose the second image. Choose middle state. Choose this one. Middle state is apple 2. Click on this. Yes. Now ID is image 1. Now ID is image 1. Then there is the option image here. Then there is the option image 3. Then ID is image 1. Here option image. I want to decrease this. I am deleting this because I want to clear this image. Now run this app. I am running it. Click on this. Initial stage come. Middle state is coming. Clicking on this final. When I am clicking on this clear, there is no images here. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you so much.